Just want to go over letter C for problem 2.2. So for number 1, they have x squared plus 5x, and by the way, this is the expanded form. They want you to turn it to the factored form, which would have the parentheses. And to do this, they want you to look at the area model, the generic rectangle. And since there's an x squared, it makes sense to have one dimension of x and the other dimension of x. But then to show plus 5x, we have to extend one of the dimensions 5 units longer. And that creates a rectangle, x plus 5 times x. So the factored form could look like this. And if you were to actually multiply this out, you get x squared here, you get 5x here. You can see it's all the same thing. So this is the same as that, and it keeps going. There's another way to think about factoring. So if I look at the same problem, x squared plus 5x, one way I do it without the area model is I look at both of these terms and I see if there's something that's the same in both of them. In this case, I notice they both have at least one x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide by an x. So what happens is what I divided by then goes in this parenthesis. And then what's left? Well, x squared divided by x. We've seen this with exponents. That means you subtract the exponents, you get x to the first power. So what's left here is x to the first. And then when you divide 5x over x, we get a giant 1. So what's really left is 5. So we get the exact same thing of x times x plus 5, just a different way to think about it. If I look at the last one, number 3, 5x plus 4x, to think about what that could look like in the factored form, what could I divide both of these by? Well, I could divide them both by an x. So when I do my parenthesis, one of them is going to have an x. And then what's left would go on the other parenthesis. So if I simplify this, what's after I get my giant 1, what's left is a 5. And what's left here would just be a 4. So I could say that this is my factored form. And if I showed that with an area model, x is one dimension, 5 plus 4 is the other dimension, I would get 5x, and here I would get 4x. And you can see that we have 5x plus 4x, which is, of course, the same thing as 9x's if you combine like terms, but they are all the same.